Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about elimination reactions. Generally, in the previous video we have discussed about addition reactions, substitution reaction, right? Now we are getting into elimination reaction. Based on the groups which are going to be eliminated from the molecule, right? We have different kinds of eliminations over here. If hydrogen molecule is going to be eliminated from the reactant over there, those reactions are known as dehydrogenation reaction. Hydrogenation reaction. Okay, if halogens are going to be eliminated over there, those reactions are known as dehalogenation reaction. If hydrogen halide is going to be eliminated, those reactions are known as dehydrohalogenation reactions. If water is going to be removed or eliminated from the molecule, right, that is going to be dehydration reaction. If ammonia molecule is going to be eliminated from this one, those are known as deamination reaction. Okay, if CO molecule means carbonyl molecule is going to be eliminated over there, those reactions are known as decarbonylation. If carbon dioxide is eliminated, that is decarboxylation. Okay, if SO3 group is eliminated, those reactions are known as desulfonation. Desulfonation reaction, right? Now let us see the classification of elimination reactions. Okay, this classification is based on the position of the eliminating group. Okay, if the eliminating group that might be hydrogen, halogen, or hydrogen halides, or carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, or ammonia, whatever it is, based on the positions, right, there is a classification. Let us see the first one, that is alpha elimination reactions. Alpha elimination reaction means this elimination reaction is also known as 1,1 elimination reaction. 1,1 elimination reaction means both the eliminating group will be positioned at the same carbon. Okay, if you take the beta carbon, right, beta elimination, right, here this one is also known as 1,2 elimination reaction. 1,2 elimination reaction. Okay, this one again classified into two types, that is E1 and E2 elimination. We will discuss further. 1,2 elimination reactions means the eliminating group must be located at the 1 and 2 positions over there respectively, and we have a gamma elimination position, gamma elimination reactions. This is known as 1,3 elimination reaction. Okay, these are the classification of elimination reaction based on what? Position of the eliminating group over there. Position of the eliminating group. Now let us see the first one. What is this one? This one is alpha elimination reaction, right? Let me take the alpha elimination reaction first. Alpha elimination reaction. What happens in alpha elimination reaction? What do you mean by alpha elimination reaction? I have already mentioned 1,1 elimination, right? Okay, the eliminating group will be situated at what? The eliminating groups are atoms, right? It might be anything. Atoms located on same carbon. Let us see one of the reactions related to alpha elimination reactions. Okay, let us take chloroform generally. Okay, CHCl3. For this chloroform, let us use base over there. What base does? This will abstract the proton over there, right? After abstracting, what happens? We will get CCl3 minus. Since chlorine is a good leaving group, chlorine gets eliminated and formation of dichloromethylene carbene will be formed over there. Okay, dichlorocarbene over there, right? Similarly, let us see the another reaction also. Let us take bromoform also, the same thing. CHBr3 with base, what happens? Proton gets out and formation of CBr3 formation takes place. And again bromine is a good leaving group, gets out and formation of dibromocarbon formation takes place. Okay, this is how the alpha elimination takes place. Let us take the beta elimination over here. Beta elimination over here. Beta elimination. I already mentioned beta elimination is also known as 1,2 elimination. 1,2 elimination. What is meant by beta elimination or 1,2 elimination? The eliminating groups are atoms located at the 1-2 positions. Okay, 1-2 positions or adjacent position also we can say. Okay, let me write it over here. What is this? The eliminating groups, once again, the eliminating groups located on 1-2 positions or adjacent positions also we can say. Adjacent positions, right? Let us take one particular example over there. Okay, this this elimination is known as beta elimination, we know that. Let us take an example over there. Let me take bromoethane. Okay, in this reaction let me use a base over there, alcoholic KOH or NaOH. What happens here is that hydrogen and halide both is going to be eliminated over there. This reaction is known as dehydrohalogenation reaction, right? Minus HBr. Okay, what happens here? Formation of alkene takes place. CH2 double bond CH2, right? Now this let me give the numbering. Okay, 1 and 2, right? These two eliminating groups are located at 1 and 2 positions. That's what this reaction is known as beta elimination or 1-2 elimination. Okay, this beta elimination again classified into two types based on molecularity. What is this one? Based on molecularity. Based on molecularity. How many types it is? It is two types actually. First one is unimolecular elimination reaction, like SN1 SN2 reactions. Unimolecular reaction, that is E1 elimination reaction. Second one is bimolecular elimination reaction. This is known as E2 elimination reaction. Okay, this is what all about beta elimination reactions, right? Let us see the third one, that is gamma elimination reactions. Gamma elimination, okay, which is also known as 1,3 elimination. 1,3 elimination. What happens in this case? Okay, eliminating group will be located at 1,3 positions. Okay, let me write it over there. Eliminating group located at 1,3 positions. Once again, positions, right? Yeah. Let me take reactant over there. Let me take CH2, 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 H and X. Let me give the numbering also. 1, 2, 3. The eliminating groups are located at 1 and 3 positions, right? What happens? Dehydrohalogenation takes place. Formation of cyclic compound takes place, right? CH2, CH2, CH2. Since 3-member ring is unstable, right? we won't be seeing this kind of reactions much over there. Okay, this is what the introduction about elimination reactions and its classification, right? Thank you for watching.